Paano naman gumawa ng email sequence or email automation sa system.io? Balik tayo sa system.io guys. So once you are done with your funnel, so kung gusto mong makita yung design pala, i-click mo lang itong view funnel. Alright, as you can see, ayan yung ginawa natin kanina. So i-close na muna natin siya guys. So ayan guys, kapag tapos ka na sa yung opt-in page, punta na tayo sa emails. So, click emails and then click campaigns. So, andito na tayo sa campaigns. Ang gagawin mo is to click this button na mayroong create and then name your campaign. For example, leads. So, meaning ito yung mga taong nag-subscribe sa yung ebook. Subscribe to free ebook. And you can add descriptions if you want to add detailed description, then you can do it as well. People who subscribe to free ebook. Then click natin yung save button. Tsaka meron ka ng one campaign. So i-click mo siya ngayon and then click mo itong create button para gagawa ka na ng email. So for example, subject, ibigay natin yung PDF. So ito yung ma-receive nila the moment na mag-subscribe sila dun sa opt-in page mo. PDF. Open this to download your free ebook. Ayan. And then maglagay ka ng sender name mo. And then yung sender email. And then classic editor lang tayo. And then click save. Preview, ilagay natin ng download. Download now. And then gagawa na tayo ng email. Hi. So, click mo itong substitute. Piliin mo yung first name. So, ang function nito guys is that whatever yung first name na nilagay nila doon sa form is ito yung mag-show dito once they will receive the email. So, congrats. Here is your free ebook. Tapos, click here to download. Don't forget to reply to this email. So, ikaw na bahala maglagay dito guys, no, kung ano yung email na ilagay mo. As long as na andito yung pinaka-important yung link kung saan nila ma-download yung ebook mo. Okay? To your success. Okay. So, ngayon, punta tayo sa Google Drive. I-upload natin yung PDF file natin. So, dito tayo ngayon sa aking Google. Punta tayo sa Drive. And then, click mo itong New File Upload. And then, hanapin mo yung PDF file mo. This one, 5 Steps to an Effective Social Media Strategy. Click Open. And then, wait mo siyang matapos sa pag-upload. So, once done, alright, andito na siya guys. Tapos na siya mag-upload. And then, click mo lang yung tatlong dots. And then, click mo yung share. Then, click share. Dapat naka-public. As you can see here, restricted. So, hindi siya ma-access ng kung sino-sino. So, ang gagawin mo is click mo yung restricted and then click anyone with the link. Okay, and then click mo itong copy link para makopy mo yung link ng PDF and then click done. Balik ka sa system.io sa yung email campaigns and then dito sa click here to download, highlight that text and then click mo itong link icon and then paste mo dito yung URL link ng PDF mo. Click mo itong check. As you can see here, andito na yung link ng Google Drive kung saan mo in-upload yung ebook mo. Guys, in sending the first email, so dito pwede mo nang i-introduce yung sarili mo, kung sino ka, what this ebook is all about and how this can help your target audience. So, ayan. You can do a lot of research about email marketing. Hindi ko na siya itatackle sa ngayon kasi it's another topic naman. Okay? And then once you are done with this one, kunwari tapos na to, click mo itong save and publish. So to activate this one, this email will be sent after. So since this is the first email, so wala kang gagawin dito, wala kang ilalagay. Okay, proceed tayo sa next. Delay before sending emails. Click 0, dapat naka 0 siya, and then choose minutes. So 0 minutes. So they will receive the email the moment na mag-subscribe sila doon sa opt-in page mo. Pero if you like, pwede mo ding lagyan ng hours or days. Pero mostly talaga ang ginagawa ko dito is minutes lang yung ilalagay ko para ma-receive nila agad-agad yung ebook. And then once done, click mo itong activate. Wala kang gagalawin dito, okay? Off mo lang ang mga yan. Ito lang, dito lang na part. Okay. And then click activate. Then click exit. As you can see here, meron ka ng 1 email. Okay? And make sure na yung status niya is activate. Ayan, naka-check. So ngayon, balik tayo sa ating funnels. And then click mo ulit yung funnels mo, yung free ebook. Bali, gagawin na natin or maglalagay na tayo ng automation. And then, make sure na nasa squeeze page funnel step ka, yung pinakaunang page. And then, click mo itong automation rules. And then, click add rule. And then, dito sa add trigger, i-click mo itong funnel step form subscribe. And then, i-click mo ulit siya. And then, you need to add an action. This will occur when a contact has just subscribed through a form. So, doon sa form natin, sa ating opt-in page na form. Click mo itong add action. And then, click mo itong subscribe to campaign. And then, choose a campaign. So, ito yung campaign na ginawa natin kanina. And then, click save rule. Kung gusto mo naman mag-add ng tags, so you need to create a tags muna. I-click mo itong tags. And then, under the tags option, dito, create tags. Ayan. So, under the tags, okay, click mo lang itong create. Click create. And then, name, leads, free ebook. Ayan. Click save. And then, balik ka sa yung automation rules, sa yung funnel. Click mo ulit yung funnel step form. And then, click add action. Click add tag. Hanapin mo yung tags na ginawa mo. Then, save rule. So, para saan ba yung tags? Ang tags ay ginagamit lalo na if mag-send ka ng newsletters sa yung subscribers. So, hindi kasi makapag-send ng newsletters kung walang tags na nakalagay doon sa settings niya. So, ayun yung gamit ng tags para malaman ng email sender ni Systeme.io kung para kanino mo isi-send yung newsletter na iyon. So, si tags ay parang nag-ano siya, ginugroup na yung mga type of audience mo. For example, leads, gumawa ka ng tags for the leads, gumawa ka ng tags for the buyers. Para mas madali mo siyang ma-identify kung sino ang mga buyers, sino yung hindi pa nag-buy sa'yo. So, I hope I made myself clear in that. So, ngayon guys, ang gagawin mo is, as you can see dito sa campaigns mo, you only have 1 email. So, ang maganda kasi dito gawin is gumawa ka pa ng another 6 email sequence that promoting your product number 1. So, for example lang, meron ka ng product number 1 na gusto mo i-promote. So, gawa ka ulit ng second email. So, click mo itong create. And then, for example, subject number 1 is do this to grow or social media. Kasi yung ebook natin is about social media. So, meron kang mga templates kung paano gumawa ng mga posts sa social media, or meron kang ebook, or meron kang course. So, dito mo siya gagawin. So, dito mo siya ipopromote sa email sequence. So, click natin yung save. Kunwari, may emails ka nang nilagay dito. And then, click mo yung save and publish. So, since second email na po ito guys, ang gagawin mo dito sa this email will be sent after is piliin mo yung pinaka first email mo para sunod-sunod or may sequence. And then yung delay is choose 1 and then choose days. So, meaning, ma-receive niya ang email na to 1 day after niya ma-receive yung first email or 24 hours. Kunwari, na-receive niya yung email ngayon 1 a.m. So, on the next day, tsaka naman niya ma-receive yung second email mo. So, click activate. And then, as you can see here, ayan, meron ka na second email. So, ganun din ang gagawin mo sa iyong email number 3. Ang delay nun is 1 day pa din para 24 hours na after niya ma-receive yung second email mo. So, tsaka naman niya ma-receive yung third email mo. And so on. So, ngayon, if you're wondering kung paano naman gumawa ng sales page, so punta ka sa funnels ulit, and then click mo itong create, and then rename, for example, sales. At piliin mo ngayon na choose your funnel goal is itong sell. And then currency, kapag yung target market mo ay nasa Philippines, then choose Philippines. Nasaan na yun? Philippines. Ayan, importante na ma-set up mo yung currency, guys. And then, click mo itong save button. So, as you can see here, meron ka ng second funnel. Again, click mo lang ulit ito. Magdagdag tayo ng another step sa funnel step natin, which is yung sales page. I-click mo lang itong add step. Then, name, sales. Choose step type. Scroll down, choose this one, sales page, and then click save. As you can see, yung sales page natin is nasa pinakababa. I-drag mo lang siya pataas. Ayan. Para ito yung pinaka first page na makikita nila. So, ayan, pili ka lang ulit ng template and then you need to, modify the template. So, ayun guys, kung ayaw mo namang gumawa ng sales page funnel template from scratch, so meron pa akong ino-offer na template which is my Systeme.io digital kit. So, ito ay isang done-for-you sales funnel template. So, meron siyang 4 na steps. Yung sales page, order page, upsell page, at saka yung thank you page. So, you can get all of these. Ang gawin mo lang is to clone this sales page and then you can modify or edit this funnel, this template according to your liking. And then, ang kagandahan din kasi dito is meron na siyang mga tutorials step by step doon kung paano mo i-edit, i-modify yung template na ito. So, if you want to get access to my done-for-you sales funnel template, you can check the description of this video. So, ngayon guys, if you are wondering kung paano mo naman makukuha yung link na inyong opt-in page para i-share mo sa yung mga audience. So, open mo lang yung funnel list and then choose the free ebook. And then, under dito sa URL path, ayan, i-click mo itong icon link para makopy mo siya. As you can see here, copied to clipboard. So, ite-test natin. And then, I'm gonna click this download for free. So, lumalabas yung pop-up. For example, Rose. So, ayun guys, nakapag-fill up na ako dito sa ating opt-in page. And then, click ko na itong send me the ebook. And here you go. Thank you for registering. Ayan. So, now, we are going to check our email if may na-receive tayong email. Alright guys, as you can see here, na-receive ko na po siya. May nakalagay na me. So, PDF, open this to download your free ebook. Ang downside lang nito kapag wala kang sariling professional na email is, ito yung makikita ng mga audience mo. This one, yung parang spam, yung email na sinesend mo sa kanila. Ayan, successfully I received the first email. And then, kapag i-click ko itong click here to download, charan! Ayan. So, makukuha na ng mga target audience mo or ng audience mo or yung mga tao na nag-subscribe doon sa opt-in page mo, yung PDF file, okay? Or yung lead magnet mo. So, ayun guys, if you are interested to get my done-for-you sales funnel template that you can use as your own, and also you will have the right to resell the template, you can check the description of this video. And if you're wondering kung anong hitsura nun, and I will show you just a second. So, ito po yung aking done-for-you sales funnel template. Ayan siya guys. You can clone this exact funnel to your Systeme.io account. Congratulations! Meron ka nang nagawa na sales funnel. So, I hope you were able to follow the step-by-step tutorials in this video and I hope you got a lot of lessons. So, bago tayo magtapos guys, if meron ka mang natutunan sa video na ito, just leave a comment below.